dumpster rental service in Hamden, Connecticut. Looking for a reliable dumpster rental service in Hamden, Connecticut? The Good Guys Dumpster Rental LLC is here to help. We offer high-quality, hassle-free dumpster rentals to meet all your cleanup needs. Whether you're tackling a home renovation, decluttering your space, or managing a construction project, we've got you covered. Our dumpsters are designed to be driveway-friendly, ensuring no damage to your property. We pride ourselves on providing affordable rates without hidden fees. Our flexible rental periods enable you to work at your own pace. Booking a dumpster with us is quick and easy. Call us or visit our website. We deliver on time and pick it up promptly when you're finished. Our team is professional, reliable, and committed to excellent customer service. We serve both residential and commercial clients across Hamden. If you need assistance choosing the right dumpster size, we're here to help. We believe in keeping Hamden clean and making waste disposal stress-free. Let us handle your waste so you can focus on what matters most. Contact us today at 203-500-9635 for all your dumpster rental needs. No matter the size of your project, we make junk removal simple and stress-free. Choose the Good Guys Dumpster Rental LLC for a service that combines convenience and reliability.